You might think of guinea pigs as adorable little pets, but in countries like Peru, Bolivia, and Ecuador, they are a major source of food. With over 65 million guinea pigs consumed every year in Peru alone, guinea pig farming is a centuries-old tradition that continues to grow, blending ancient practices with modern techniques. In this video, we'll take you inside the fascinating world of guinea pig farming, harvesting, and processing, and show you how these small animals play a big role in local culture and cuisine. Guinea pig farming has become an important source of income for many people, especially in countries like Peru, where these small animals are valued for both food and economic support. Thanks to their fast growth, high reproduction rates, and easy care, guinea pigs are an ideal choice for farmers, particularly those running small-scale operations. Most farmers raise guinea pigs using simple wooden cages or hutches, which are easy to build and perfect for managing large animals. In addition to traditional wooden setups, some farmers also use wire mesh cages or concrete enclosures, depending on their space and resources. Each cage section is divided into separate compartments, measuring about 90 by 60 centimeters, with a raised mesh floor to allow feces and urine to fall into a collection tray below, helping maintain cleanliness and prevent diseases. Maintaining a clean and safe environment is key to successful guinea pig farming. Farmers regularly disinfect the cages using tools like flame torches, cleaning powders, and special sanitizing solutions to kill bacteria and pests. They also sweep and clean the enclosures often to keep the living space fresh and healthy. Farmers also closely monitor the health of their guinea pigs to ensure they stay strong and healthy. They usually give their animals medication. They also keep a close eye on their guinea pig's weight, as it's a key indicator of their overall health and growth. By tracking these details, farmers can quickly spot any issues and make sure their guinea pigs are thriving in a safe, healthy environment. Guinea pigs are herbivores and are surprisingly efficient at turning plants and forage into high-quality meat. They actually eat more food compared to their body size than bigger animals like cows or sheep, which helps them grow quickly. Their main diet is hay, along with fresh vegetables like kale, lettuce, and broccoli, plus a little fruit now and then for extra vitamin C. Farmers usually keep hay available all day, feed fresh veggies once or twice a day, and offer small amounts of fruit a few times a week. To make sure the guinea pigs get all the nutrients they need, many farmers also add special guinea pig pellets to their diet. Guinea pigs are known for their impressive breeding ability with a short gestation period of just 68 days. Female guinea pigs can have several litters each year, with each litter consisting of up to 4 babies. What's truly remarkable is that the newborns are born fully furred and independent, able to walk and eat within hours. At only 15 to 18 days old, guinea pig pups are weaned and separated by sex to avoid any fighting. Farmers carefully organize their pens, often with a ratio of 8 females to 1 male, to ensure breeding runs smoothly and efficiently. Guinea pigs are fast-growing animals with a high meat yield, making them a valuable resource for farmers. After just 3 months, they reach maturity and are ready for harvest once they weigh between 1,000 and 1,400 grams. This quick growth cycle allows farmers to efficiently produce meat, making guinea pig farming a highly productive venture. Processing guinea pigs is a delicate and respectful process, ensuring the meat is handled with the highest standards of cleanliness and quality. The first step is to gently place the guinea pigs in warm water to loosen their fur. After that, the fur is carefully removed, and the carcass is thoroughly cleaned to prepare it for cooking. Guinea pig meat is known for its lean, flavorful texture, often described as tender with a rich, slightly gamey taste. It's high in protein and low in fat. In Peru, Bolivia, and Ecuador, guinea pig is considered a delicacy. It's commonly roasted, grilled, fried, added to stews and soups, where its rich flavor adds depth to the dish.